Nowadays, the word virus has extremely negative connotation. But what if we change the word virus to viral? 5 aspects of viral videos. Let's go! What's good? My name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On and Tech Kitchen, the channel about the privilege of being a freelancer, tips and pieces of advice about motivation, personal growth, tech aspects and many more. Welcome to the channel. So today we're talking about viral videos. Viral video is called so because it spreads like a virus. Some friends send the video to each other, the YouTube brings it up to the trends and so on. Sometimes people even re-watch those videos because they're really great or because it's entertaining. In my opinion, the first real viral video is Gangnam Style by Psy. It came out in July 2012 and gained the first billion of views in 160 days. Right now it has more than 3.5 billion views. It means that 5 from 10 people on planet Earth saw it. Mrbeast is considered to be the real king of viral videos right now. Since 2012, he has more than 5 billion views on his channel and almost 35 million of subscribers. His most popular video has 81 million of views and his least popular has 4 million. Not bad, right? The project became this popular because his author or authors followed some rules or aspects of viral videos. There are several types of such videos, for example, entertaining or social videos, music videos of different popular singers with interesting plot or great video features, making something new or enormously big, or different challenges for people's abilities. Often viral video doesn't look like a professional video. It allows to keep the viewer's attention because it doesn't look like a fake. It makes the viewer more loyal and entertains more. The main idea of this video is given in the end most of the time. Or it has a plot twist which surprises the viewer a lot. Viral videos are always extraordinary and catchy. They can be funny or extremely serious and really well made. For video, it's always a little bit of luck to become a viral. But if you follow those features, the chances for viral success are rising. Down in the description below, I have some links for my favorite viral videos. And right now we're going to analyze them. So the first video is about Samsung washing machine commercial. So right now we see that it has a handheld shot and we see that they pull the water from the river to make the washing machine working, and then the bear appears. It's a brown bear and they are scared. It catches our attention, it draws the attention and they don't know what to do. We see the handheld shots all around and right now the bear is coming to their tripods and the washing machine. Then he rises up and takes off his fur. And we see that he wears the pants and he decides to wash it. So right now we see that it's extremely unnatural and it really draws the attention once again. So it keeps us right there, we keep watching. And now we see that the bear is getting cold a little bit. Now he's reading, then he's entertaining himself, playing the guitar. So it all still keeps the attention right there. And there is a plot twist. So he pulls out his fur from the washing machine and we see that he is a white bear. He puts it on and goes away. And right now we can see that it is a real polar bear. And here is the advertisement itself. And there is a queue of bears right there after this case. This is a great example of a funny viral video. The next one. This one is called The Glass Boy. So we see an ordinary boy. He decides to cross the road and becomes a boy of glass. And we can see 60 miles an hour and the car smashes the boy. And we see the glass all around. Then we have a reverse and the boy becomes alive again. And now we see that the speed is 40 miles an hour and he simply he simply cracks the leg, right? Life is fragile, reduce the speed. This is really true to life. Every time we cross the road, we become very fragile. And it shows us in a very strong way that we can reduce the speed and save the life. A great example of a social viral video. Dumb Ways to Die. It's a great example of mixture of both funny and social viral videos. Right here, we see different, I don't know, people maybe, and they are dying in some really dumb and stupid ways. And we can see that there are tons of ways, dumb ways to die. So it's pretty funny, it's okay for the kids. The kids are understanding that it's not good to do these things. And then if we fast forward right here, stand on the edge of a train station, drive around the boom gates, and then run across the tracks between the platforms. It's a dumb way to die under the train. The dumbest way to die is to die under the train. And we see all of those characters dancing and they're almost dead. It's kind of funny, it's catchy, it has some music in it, and it's really catchy, I mean. And the last thing, be safe around trains, a message from Metro. So here is the main idea is given in the last part of the video, and it's very important because in the first part we thought it is a funny video, you know, for everybody, but then we understand that there is a huge message right in the end of the video. One more extraordinary example is a music video for God's Plan by Drake. So he decided to give away a lot of cash. It's written that the budget for this video was almost $1 million, and they gave it all away. Now we see that Drake announces that everybody in this store is allowed to buy whatever they want, and then he will pay for it. So right here we see a lot of emotions. People who need money, the real tears, the real hugs, checks everywhere, cash everywhere, a lot of smiles, a lot of tears. And we hear also some words from different people, some blessings and all that stuff. This is a great example. The main idea is to bring up the emotions. Great work, Drake. And the last video for today is from Mrbeast, the most popular video on his channel. This is about I put 100 million orbeez in my friend's backyard. Orbeez is, you know, a small ball which becomes bigger when you put it into the water. So what made this video this popular? Because it's extremely unnatural, you know? To even buy a 100 million orbeez, it's, you know, a dumb way to spend money. But he did it, and together with his friends, he put it somewhere in the backyard of his friend. They are swimming in a pool full of orbeez. It's shot in a very nice way, a lot of handheld, a lot of time lapses, some jokes all around, so it's kind of live process. And it still draws the attention really good. It has right now 82 million views and almost 2 million likes. So this shows us how to make a great viral video. When you do something unreal, unnatural, it really draws the attention. So check out his channel, there is a lot of cool stuff. And now we're moving on to the quote of the episode. Any popularity is very attractive. And a question of the episode, what is your favorite viral video? Please leave a link in the comment section below. Let's share our favorite viral videos. Thank you very much for watching. This was Oleg Nikitin, Tech Kitchen and No Limits On. See you guys. Bye.